Master the A drugs. We've compiled the 25 most common medications tested, arranged in alphabetical order. How many do you recognize? Remember, you really only need to know the generic name for now. Acetaminophen is Tylenol. Acetazolamide is Diamox. Acetylcysteine is Mucomyst. Acetadote, acyclovir is Zovirax. Adalimumab is Humira. Adenosine is Adenocard. Albuterol is Ventolin Pro-Air. Alendronate is Fosamax. Allopurinol is Xyloprim. Alprazolam is Xanax. Alteplaz is Activaz. TPA. Amikacin is Amikin. Amiodarone is Pacerone. Cortisone. Amitriptyline is Elavil. Amlodipine is Norvasc. Amoxicillin is Amoxil. Trimox amoxicillin. Clavulinate is Augmentin. Amphotericin B is Fungizone. Amphetamine dextroamphetamine is Adderall. Anastrozole is Arimidex. Apixaban is Eliquis. Aripiprazole is Abilify. Aspirin is Bayer. Ecotrin, atenolol is Tenormin. Atorvastatin is Lepitor. Let's name them again. Try to say the drug action before I do. Acetaminophen is used to treat fever and pain. Acetazolamide is used to treat glaucoma, edema, and certain types of seizures. Acetylcysteine is used as an antidote for acetaminophen overdose and to loosen respiratory secretions. Acyclovir is used to treat viral infections like herpes simplex, varicella zoster, chickenpox, and shingles. Adalimumab is used to treat autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and psoriasis. Adenosine is used to treat supraventricular tachycardia, a type of fast heart rhythm. Albuterol is used to treat and prevent bronchospasm and asthma and COPD. Alendronate is used to treat and prevent osteoporosis. Allopurinol is used to treat gout and to reduce high uric acid levels. Alprazolam is used to treat anxiety disorders and panic disorder. Alteplase is used to break down blood clots in conditions like acute ischemic stroke, pulmonary embolism, and myocardial infarction. Amikacin is used to treat severe bacterial infections, especially those resistant to other antibiotics. Amiodarone is used to treat severe ventricular and supraventricular arrhythmias. Amitriptyline is used to treat depression, neuropathic pain, and to prevent migraines. Amlodipine is used to treat high blood pressure and angina, chest pain. Amoxicillin is used to treat various bacterial infections, including respiratory, skin, and ear infections. Amoxicillin/clavulinate is used to treat bacterial infections that are resistant to amoxicillin alone. Amphotericin B is used to treat severe, life-threatening fungal infections. Amphetamine dextroamphetamine is used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and narcolepsy. Anastrozole is used to treat hormone receptor-positive breast cancer in postmenopausal women. Apixaban is used to prevent and treat blood clots in conditions like atrial fibrillation and deep vein thrombosis. Aripiprazole is used to treat schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and as an add-on for depression. Aspirin is used to relieve pain, reduce fever, decrease inflammation, and prevent blood clots. Atenolol is used to treat high blood pressure, angina, and certain heart rhythm disorders. Atorvastatin is used to lower high cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events.